So I'm going to teach you how to add Tradingview ideas or tweets right to your charts so that you can verify the ideas of other people and see if they perform well or not. So, all right, so we have an idea here. And by the way, this is on the phone. It's easier to do on the computer. Basically the same thing. It's just a different layout, of course. So we have this euro dollar sell idea. I'm on the freaking exercise bike, so that's why I might sound weird. You're gonna click on this bottom right corner there where it's like a loudspeaker. You're gonna click copy. Then you're gonna go to your chart, and you should see what time frame that is too. It's a daily, so let's switch to the daily just to stay uniform. And then what we're gonna do is click on this drawing icon down here. We're gonna go down to annotations, idea, paste, and that's it. So you have it right here what the guy is suggesting. So we can go down to the 4 hour. We can see if there's any rejection going on here. We can also click on that link from the chart and see the idea. And that's it, basically. You can also do it for tweets as well, but that's another video. It's basically the same concept. So if you like this little tutorial, please like, subscribe to my videos, and I'll make more. If you like Tradingview tutorials or trading signals, whatever it is, strategies, I can do it all. So like and subscribe, please, and have a nice day.